In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to understand the danger of the ransomware called GonnaCope. It was revealed that GonnaCope ransomware not only encrypts files but also deletes files and replaces them with some random files, and these are files with the Cope extension. Files encrypted by GonnaCope do not have a new extension. This video will demonstrate to you what exactly the ransomware does with the files. So before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening the files. But after the ransomware is actually started, some mess starts to happen on your computer screen. You have a lot of new windows popping up, and then you see this mess on your screen. Both ransom notes instruct victims to pay $100 in bitcoins to the provided wallet. So it says this information mentioning that your files are unusable and that you need to pay $100 in Bitcoin to this particular wallet. It is worth mentioning that most ransomware variants generate ransom notes that contain both payment and contact information. On the other hand, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so please don't ever pay the ransom. I have also noticed another interesting fact regarding this ransomware is that some way or another it somehow impacts your computer mouse. So the left mouse button becomes the right mouse button. So to close these windows you need to use your right mouse button. So that's another impact of this ransomware on the way your computer actually works. And as I said before, this particular ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom. The ransom is $100 in Bitcoin, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored, and indeed you cannot open your files. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this ransomware, and we suggest that you use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. And so, after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. You will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scanning. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is fully completed. You will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. You will be able to know the name of each specific threat, its location on your system, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium license to make sure that your computer is free of this particular ransomware and of any other threats that could be hidden on your device.